Coming to the next question, question number 57. Which one of the following is incorrect for ideal solution? First option, delta H mixing equals to 0. Second option, delta U mixing equals to 0. Third option, delta P equals to 0. And fourth option is delta G mixing equals to 0. Here the question is related to ideal solution. Ideal solution is that solution which obey Raoult's law at all concentration and temperature. It means delta P, that is the difference of experimental vapor pressure of solution and calculated vapor pressure of solution, that will be always 0. For ideal solution, delta H is always equal to 0. It means neither heat energy is absorbed nor heat energy is evolved during the mixing process. So, temperature of the solution remains as such. It means mixing is an isothermal process, and for any isothermal process, change in internal energy will remain 0. So, delta U mixing equals to 0. Now, mixing of any liquid is a spontaneous process. And for any spontaneous process, delta G mixing should be less than 0. So, delta G mixing should be negative. Now, in the 4 option given, the fourth one is incorrect where delta G mixing is equal to 0. So, answer of this question should be fourth option. Next question of today's paper, question number 58. The solubility of AgCl with solubility product 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 in 0.1 molar NaCl solution will be. This question is related to AgCl. This is AgCl. AgCl is a sparingly soluble salt. So, when dissolved in water, it forms a saturated solution where equilibrium set up between ions and unionized solid. Now, if solubility of Ag positive ion is S, then solubility of chloride ion should be S. If any other electrolyte is not present, then expression of solubility product becomes Ag positive ion activity of chloride ion. Now, in this question, it is mentioned that AgCl is present with NaCl, and NaCl is a strong electrolyte which completely ionizes in the aqueous medium. So, number of chloride ion given by this strong electrolyte is 0.1 mole. In this question, chloride ion is the common ion, and in presence of common ion, equilibrium shifts in the backward direction, due to which Ag positive ion concentration decreases. And in this question, we have to find out what is the Ag ion concentration after backward shifting of the equilibrium. So, equilibrium constant of reaction is solubility product, and its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10, that will remain constant. We need to calculate Ag positive ion, and in this question, chloride ion concentration is 0.1 mole plus S mole given by AgCl. But this value of S is negligible compared to 0.1 mole. So, in this question, we can put the value of chloride ion as 0.1. On solving this question, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 by 0.1, answer is coming 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 9 moles. Now, let us see the option. First option is different value, but second option is having same value. So, here second option is the correct one, and answer of this question should be option 2.